morning to all. Now we are going to solve the problem. Example number 3.30. Solve x by x minus 1 plus x minus 1 by x is equal to 2 into 1 by 2. It is in mixed fraction form. Here rational expressions are given. Better we assign, let x by x minus 1 is equal to any variable. Any variable in the sense may take y. If you take x by x minus 1 is equal to y, what is the reciprocal? X minus 1 by x, which is equal to 1 by y. I hope you understand. This x by x minus 1 is equal to y. So x minus 1 by x, which means the reciprocal of this one, which is equal to reciprocal of y. Reciprocal of y is equal to 1 by y. Now we assign the values. So x by x minus 1 is equal to y plus x minus 1 by x is equal to 1 by y, which is equal to 2 into 1 by 2. Simplify it. LCM is y. So you want to multiply it by y. So y square plus 1, which is equal to, convert into improper fraction. So first multiply this one into this one. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Now we are going to do cross product. So 2 into this term and y into this term. So 2 into y square, 2y square plus 2, which is equal to 5y. It can be written as 2y square minus 5y plus 2, which is equal to 0. Now it is in the standard form of quadratic equation. Let us find the factors. After finding factors, we can find the roots of this quadratic equation. 2y square minus 5y plus 2 is equal to 0. I told you clearly, if we have the leading coefficient is except to 1, we want to multiply it by its constant term. Here the leading coefficient is 2. It should be multiplied by the constant term. So 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So product of any two numbers is equal to 4. Sum of the same two numbers is equal to minus 5. So we take 1 and 4. We assign minus for both numbers. Minus 1 into minus 4 is equal to plus 4. Minus 1 minus 4 gives minus 5. So it can, and we do one thing, we multiply it by 2, you know. So we want to divide by the same number 2 here also. This one 2 times. It can't be divided. So 2y, this 2 into that variable is y. 2y minus 1. And this is y minus 2 is equal to 0. So first we equate this factor to 0 and this factor to 0. So 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2y is equal to plus 1. This minus 1 becomes plus 1 and y is equal to 1 by 2. And next one, y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 2. I hope you understand this. Actually, we are going to find the value of x, not for y value. So, we know that x by x minus 1 is equal to y. X by x minus 1 is equal to y. Yes, we took already x by x minus 1 equal to y. So, y value is 1 by 2. So, x by x minus 1 is equal to, what is the value of y? If you take the first value 1 by 2 means 2 into x, 2x, which is equal to this one, x minus 1. So 2x, this plus x becomes minus x. So 2x minus x is equal to x, which is equal to minus 1. This is one of the solution. Another one, x, actually x minus 1 by x, which is equal to 1 by y. This one no need. Better we assign the value of another one value of y. So x by x minus 1 equal to, what is the value of y? Y is equal to 2. If you take that value, so x is equal to 2x minus 2. So we can take this right hand side, this one left hand side. So this minus 2 becomes plus 2. 2x, it becomes minus x. 2x minus x is equal to x. So x is equal to 2. So the required solution is minus 1 and 2. So the required solution set is minus 1 and 2. Exercise number 3.10. First question, second subdivision. First subdivision is homework. You can do it. That is very easy. So now we are going to solve exercise number 3.10. First question, second subdivision. That is 3 of p square minus 6 is equal to p of p plus 5. So first we have to simplify it. We have to write in the standard form of quadratic equation. Here the variable is p, right? So first we multiply this. 3 into p square and 3 into minus 6. 3 into p square, 3p square. Solution. 3 into p square, 3p square minus 3 into minus 6 is equal to minus 18, which is equal to this p into p square, and this p into 5p. So p square plus 5p. So 3p square minus p square is equal to 3p square minus p square is equal to 2p square. This 5p plus 5p becomes minus 5p, and this plus minus 18 is there. That is left hand side, which is equal to 0. So 2p square minus 5p minus 18 is equal to 0. Now it is in the standard form of quadratic equation of variable p. Yes. So here the leading coefficient is except 1. Here 2 is the leading coefficient. It should be multiplied by its constant term. So what is the constant term? Minus 18. Minus 18 into 2 is equal to minus 36. 18 into 2 equal to 36, minus 36, minus 5. So 9 into 4. 9 into 4 is equal to 36. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So we assign minus for the biggest number 9. So minus 9 plus 4 is equal to minus 5. Minus 9 into 4 equal to minus 36. You know one thing, you multiply it by 2. So you want to divide by the number 2. 1 time, 2 times. See, it can be written as 2p minus 9. 2p minus 9, the factor form. 2 into that variable, I told you, 2 into that variable is p. So 2p minus this minus here, plus means plus, minus means minus, into this number, 2p minus 9. Here, p plus 2, which is equal to 0. Now we have the factors of this quadratic equation. So let us equate with 0. So 2p minus 9 is equal to 0. 2p is equal to plus 9, and p is equal to 9 by 2. And next one, p plus 2 is equal to 0. P is equal to minus 2. This is the second root. So p values are 9 by 2 and minus 2.